never ending, controlling. I can't seem to find myself again. My walls are closing in.
Without a sense of confidence, I'm convinced that there's just too much pressure to take.
I felt this way before. Itself upon me, distracting, reacting against my will. I stand beside my own reflection. It's haunting.